Hello, everybody. It turned on before I was ready. Today we are working on changes, and that is the last of the four C's. So we've worked on connections, challenges, concepts, and now changes. And changes, um, honestly, it sounds kind of simplistic because it's just what changes in attitude, thinking, or actions do you notice? And that's it. So we're going to look at an article. This is your assignment today. And this is about in mock funerals and 42 jerseys, kids mourn actor's death. So you guys probably know that Chadwick Boseman, who played Black Panther in Black Panther, he died of cancer, and the pictures show how kids are honoring him. And so we are going to quick look for some changes in this first section, and I'm going to show you how it's done. And if you're not watching this, I included is it a GIF or a GIF? I don't know how it is. I included one on Schoology. So if you really don't want to watch this because I'm too boring or whatever, just go to Schoology. But here we go. So I'm looking for feelings, changes, thinking, or action. Oh my God. Attitude, thinking, or action. Seriously, people, I can't even talk. So let's go here. In their driveways or in their bedrooms, using little cardboard boxes or piles of backyard dirt, young fans of Black Panther star Chadwick Boseman paid their respects with lots of Wakanda salutes and mock funerals attended by action figures. So parents, grandparents, and aunts and uncles began posting photos of funerals staged by kids for King T'Challa, the actor's lead character in the Marvel blockbuster. So, changes in actions, attitudes, and I still can't remember because you know what? Thinking. So, this is a change in action and thinking and, attitude. So, children began honoring Chadwick. Oops. When they found out he died. All right, so that's pretty much it. Yeah, so you guys need to do this 2 more times in here. So read the whole article, find 2 more changes, and then let me know how you do. And I will be online today to help you.